Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm using a glow-in-the-dark polygel that was purchased on Amazon in a set that I did just recently. I swatched. I'm going to do a pink ombre fade with the dual form poppets, and the poppets that I like to use are the shape like a stiletto almond shape. This will be the base. It's a nail extension gel. It's one of my favorites. It has the pointed tip, so it's super easy to use. You just do it right out of the bottle and just kind of smooth it down. For me, on my base of my nails, I always keep a clear gel just to keep my nails from breaking because they're so thin all the time. But this, I just built them up just a little bit to give them that like nude look at the base. I will put the link in the description below for these dual forms. They're my favorite. I love the shape of them. I find the square ones, I don't know, I feel like it's a waste of product with the square ones only because I like to keep the shape while putting it on. So it just makes it easier. You don't have to really judge it with the square ones. You have to be careful about wasting so much product. There's more filing. These, I like how they work. The only thing I did find with these is that the sizing is really small. So this is why I like to do it this way. I usually like to do like an ombre. So I bring the poppet further down, like toward the tip of the nail. That way I don't have to really worry about sizing as much. But this is the polygel. It's a pink and it glows in the dark. It's really pretty. You don't have to worry about cuticle spillage or any gel touching your skin when you do it this way as well, because you are working further toward the tip, so the poppet won't spill out as much, if you understand what I'm saying. Hopefully I'm explaining it enough. So I'm going to cure it in the LED light, and you can see when I take it out, it does have a slight temperature change to it also. However, when I do it in like hot water and cold water, it's not very noticeable. It's only noticeable like when I did it when I did put it in the light and take it out. So it is what it is. It does glow though. So you see there, it's still really thin, so it's basically just an extension out. But this is where I do the extension gel back at the base toward the cuticle area to build it up and give it that really pretty arch or apex, so it won't crack or break or look all funky and skinny and thin. But yeah, and then you can actually buff it out. I didn't do any of the buffing out, but you can buff it out to smooth that line so you don't, especially if you're using a lighter base or nude, you can buff it out so you don't have that line underneath. I didn't bother because it didn't matter to me, because I knew I was gonna put some decorations or rhinestones or something on top, so you don't really even see it. But yeah, you can blend that in and then use the nude to make that nice pretty ombre look and fade it in. And I just use alcohol just to get any of the stickiness off, and it's ready to buff. And remember, gel is really soft, so you don't have to buff long, you don't have to file long. It's very quick. And this is a fine safety bit, so I'm just smoothing out the cuticle and doing a quick little buff, shape it up. And I will grab some rhinestones, some crystals, and just decorate it over by the base where the cuticle area is, just to give it a little bling. And there you go. That is a simple dual form set of nails. It's so pretty. It glows in the dark. I love the shade. It's really pretty. So I was going to leave them the way they were, and you can, they're still very pretty, but I decided I wanted a little bit more Valentine's look. So I wanted to use a red on top of the pink. I thought it would be really pretty. So I was going to do a little stamping of hearts and then a little red on the tips. And there you are, that's my Valentine's set. I hope you guys all have a safe and happy Valentine's Day. Lots of love to you guys all, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.